This is about when you wake up and have good feeling about catching something big. I got packed my fishing gear, jumped on the scooter heading to this peaceful place. On the way to fishing destination, which I have discovered just few days ago, I have truly enjoyed a nice weather while riding and thinking of big fish that possibly can be catched. Sense of something to come up became even greater when I saw this view. So I have started my fishing. Of course, there was tremendous amounts of fish around, so hooked up the largest fish, 100 kilograms big white guy, and that unfortunately was me. Later I figured it out, that was so far biggest catch.